To download the software in Google search box right there, SQL Server. Then you can go on this Microsoft.com site and you need to scroll down. There you can see install SQL Server 22 on Windows, Linux and Docker. So let's click on this Linux part and here install on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.3. So you can do the same thing with Red Hat operating system also. If I scroll down, then you can get here these steps. Okay, so this is here for 8 version and 9 version. If you are using 9, then you can go on this. This is for 8. And first here, let's go on this activity and open the terminal. So going to copy this command. And here, let's press enter. So this done here. And after that, let's use here second command. So with the help of this, we can install this MS SQL Server on this Linux operating system. So now you can see this is the progress is there. Microsoft SQL Server. Then you can here I'm using Oracle Linux 8 operating systems. And this here for this one internet must be connected because this will do some download as well as install process. So here you can see the status is there and Oracle Linux 8 application stream. This is running in there. The installation complete successfully and this is the status is there. And after that, when you complete these steps, so let's go on this third step. Then we need to do the configuration. So let's copy and paste there. So here you can see we have to enter one or here you can see this option is there. When you press 1, this is evaluation fee 180 days limit. Developer. So this is free here, express free and other options are available. You can select anyone. So let's select here one. Press enter and do you accept the terms? Let's write here yes and press enter. So system administrator password we need to give. And after giving the correct matching password, press enter. Then you can see this all steps is going on and here this is done here. SQL Server is now starting. After that, let's start here SQL Server. So for this one, we need to copy and use this command. Paste there. So here you can see active and currently SQL Server is now running. Let's place here colon and write Q. So this here quit and the next is or there let's go on this activity. And I already have DBeaver. So there I'm going to connect SQL Server with DBeaver. So here you need to click on this. So directly let's come there. If not come there, so let's click there and confirm. And now let's click on this plus. So here you can see SQL Server that's come there. Click on this next. Automatically it's taken this URL host localhost. This is port. Database by default master is there. So you can connect with the SQL Server or Windows authentication. Let's connect with the SQL Server. So username give, and thereafter you need to give the password. And after that, click on this test connection. And this here, it's asking what to install the JRE file. So downloading file is now Microsoft JDBC driver for SQL Server. Currently, this is downloading. Activate, and let's click on this OK. And after that, let's click on this finish. So SQL Server, this is connected with the DBeaver. And you can go on this master database. Here you can see this is the database that's present there. After that, you can create here, open SQL editor. Then you can here do so many things this place. So create here, you can create the new database. So this is a system database. You can create the user database also. So let's give here item. So new database that's come there. Now you can perform very easy and sophisticated tasks inside Linux operating systems. So this is how we can install SQL Server inside Linux operating systems.